You just bought your iPad 9 generation along with your Apple Pencil Generation 1, and now you ask yourself, how can I connect my Apple Pencil to my iPad 9 generation? This is really easy process, won't take you a lot of time. For that reason, please be careful and let's dive right into the video. Okay, so uh, just take your Apple Pencil, okay, okay, uncap your Apple Pencil and just go ahead and take the portion out that's exposing this landing port. And now all you gotta do is find where your home button is on your iPad 9 generation. Mine is here, yeah. And okay, now just put it right into that charging port, okay? Home button here and put it right there. Okay. Okay, so something to keep in mind is to not put your Apple Pencil at an angle because then I might have some problems. So you can see right now, Bluetooth pairing request. Apple Pencil, would you like to pair with your iPad? Tap on pair. And as soon as you do that, you'll see this little portion. So yeah, you saw this little portion. Yeah, just tap on pair. And now you can go and disconnect your Apple Pencil. Okay. Now guys, I will show you different things that you need to know when you bought your Apple Pencil. First, maybe you want to disconnect your Apple Pencil. Go to settings and look for Bluetooth, and you see here Apple Pencil connected. Click on this icon, and click on forget this device. Easy if you want to disconnect your Apple Pencil. Now let me show you a few things that you can do with your Apple Pencil. First of all, let me show you how you can check Apple Pencil battery. You need this widget if you want to check your Apple Pencil battery. Mine is 94% right now. If you want to add this widget, go to edit, go to this plus, and then tap here, or just you can easily go to battery and then choose which one you like. View the status on your iPad and connect iPhone accessories. Oh, this is the one I'm using. This is the one I'm using. Sorry for the lighting, by the way, because I see it's pretty bad. Add widget, and now I have two. Actually, I have three. Remove, click here if you want to remove this widget. Click here, I want to remove this widget as well. And click on done. That's it. Now you can see the battery. You can put this widget on your screen as well, by the way. I forgot to tell you that. Edit. Customize. Here if you want to add like other widgets, but we want to add from here. And then swipe right, and add this on our screen. Okay. Sorry, actually, if you want to add this widget on your screen, I made a mistake. Is press long press here on the screen. Okay, long press here. Okay, long press here, guys, with your finger or with your Apple Pencil, and tap on plus here. And now go to battery and select which one you want. So I want to add this one, and now I have it on my screen. Yeah, so you can have it on here or here. Actually, I'll remove this one from here because I think it's better to have it on my screen. Okay, now let me show you guys how you can take screenshots with your Apple Pencil in the iPad, obviously. Just go ahead and grab it like that from this side and then leave it. You can done and save it to photos, save to files, delete screenshot, and with your Apple Pencil you can drag it from this side as well, like that. Actually, from this side is not even working. I think you can go into settings and you can set up. After you after the screenshot will be taken, now you can draw, choose the color, you can draw. You can draw, save, you can share with your friends. Share here. Yeah guys, so this is the video. Thank you for watching this video, and if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and take care guys, and see you in the next video.